always here ku live wethu Mazitha sibingelele Khosi Nation, Khosi for life. Bakususile lapha ku number 1 namhlanje. Bakususile lapha ku number 1 namhlanje kodwa ke ngiyabonga ukuthi uyayibongela iOrlando Pirates umkhaya bakho noma ama neighbors wakho. Sibonga ukuthi akavele ngo-accept ngubingelele namhlanje. Angivele ngo-accept ngubingelele namhlanje sisale sesixoxa nje. Nabo umkhaya bakho bawinile namhlanje bayithathile indawo yakho lapha ku position number 1. You are number 2 manje. Mazitha sibingelele mama lishonile namhlanje kuyisonto.
Sanibona Khosi for life.
Siyabingelela Khosi, siyabingelela. Lishonile namhlanje bakususile lapha phezulu. Ubone kanjani umdlalo weOrlando Pirates namhlanje?
Yo. What a game. But they started very, very slow. The first half was not promising. I futhi bengazi nokuthi Orlando Pirates leya beyidlala. First half I beyidala. But anyway, that's Orlando Pirates for us guys. You know, first half vele bayalokubanjalo, and then when they come harshly. Abasabheki nokuthi badlala nani. That's what I know about Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, impela kube kanjalo mama ngoba first half bekunzima. Ngibonile indlela bebehlasela ngayo ukuthi babukeka besele Orlando Pirates eqalele season esingayiqondi ukuthi ifisa ukudlala lephi ibhola noma ifisa ukuhlasela kanjani ama team. Lokho bekudala na ukuthi ayikho stable lapha ku midfield of which kodwa namhlanje bazamile ukuthi bazama ukuyihlanganisa la midfield yabo up until yazathela ithelo nge second half. Nokubonakele amagoli amathathu ebuya engena. Kuthini uPaula wakho, are you scared of this Orlando Pirates going forward ukuthi challenge lapha na phezulu ngoba wehlile namhlanje ngenxa yamagoli kodwa ke amaphuzu alingana 7-7.
As I've said yesterday ukuthi lapha yana sihleli khona ngiyazi ukuthi sizosuka singamale sibuye siphinde siyehle. I've said that yesterday. But Orlando Pirates, as you know, no angithukanga iyenze lento siyazi ukuthi iyayenza. I did expect that, more special mayidlala neChippa. iPirates like ibhola yayo like inomfutho idlala like ibhola yayo ngizothini it's I don't know, professional football. Ibhola ungazichenya ngayo, let me say that. Badlala ibhola exciting. So into yenzile namhlanje it was excited, and futhi vele banalo mfutho ukuthi abomakhelwane bahleli phezulu bafuna ukusiyehlisa. So we expected that, but well done to Leantwana Leyana Usiema, and big up to Uhoto. Uhoto keeps on doing what he's best at, and then Usiema does deserve the man of the match. And then Umaswanganye, I don't know umkhaya wami what's happening ngaye, because he seems like angazi aggressive or uyazikhohlwa, I don't know, but he did cost Orlando Pirates for first half.
Yeah, uMaswanganye unayo lento yokuthi ithemba yakhe iphinde iphakame, of which nekhadi alitholile namhlanje ikhadi that was unnecessary. Final usheshe walikhipha ibhola, and lento ivama ukumkhandela inkinga because oref sekuthanda ukumcheck ukuthi unenkinga yethemba, but njengoba ushilo nayizolo kwasitshela nangombuthuma of which namhlanje akakwazanga ukukora and engakoreni kwakhe still akhona ama chances awacreatayo or noma abonisayo ukuthi yena he's willing to play for Orlando Pirates. I-point olishizolo ngombuthuma lokuthi we must be lenient with him, I think it did touch me now, because even sengiqhubeka no live wami bese nginayo lento ukuthi hayi uMazitha ukhulumile bafethu ake simlalele sethu kwehla kancane kumbuthuma. Ngibone nabalandeli ke stadium bekukhona ukuthi today bebengekho hashi kuyena. Ngicabanga ukuthi izinkulumo efana nalezi nabanye abalandeli bami sebeyikhuluma zenza ukuthi sihlangane siyisizwe, ngoba nje basishilo ukuthi uma umfundo Vilakazi engadlali kahle asikisidingo sokumbhuisha, ngoba these are young players and these are our South African players that we need ukuthi siba uplift nathi njengama fans, senze nomsebenzi wethu ukuba supporter as ama supporters. Injalo nje.
Yeah, it is. Uziprovile ukuthi yena uyafuna ukudlala. I mean, akekho umuntu ofuna ukuluza. Every opponent mayingena egroundini ufuna ukuwina. So I don't think nabo mabayenza ama mistake ukuthi bafuna ukuluza. They are there to win. So we must give them chances. Ba support mentally. Remember, some they are going through a lot. Nabo abosale ngale kuSundowns, we don't know what's happening. So these youngsters does really need our support. So we mustn't bash them like Peterson yesterday, what he did. Like we have to support them. They did came out for us when we needed them, so we mustn't forget those things.
Yeah, true Mazinto sengudedela nawe ilanga selishonile kusile kusasa kuyasetshenzwa. Lo wena olandelayo niyodlala neStellenbosch. Nizotravela niye Cape Town. Hambani niyojima ke bafowethu. Umdlalo obunzima kakhulu. uKevin Hunt unilindile lokhu neStellenbosch kweziwayini. So nenze sure ukuthi nibe no 3 points ngoba umdlalo obunzima kakhulu. Kodwa ke nine record elihle against Stellenbosch. Asazi ke ngoba sesikhonja uKevin Hunt ukuthi uzozama ukunika inkinga because iStellenbosch besihlale swahlo mathi mafana Orlando Pirates kodwa nina even at your down times you've been able to get results against Stellenbosch.
Yeah, ngiyayibona but I-problem yami ukuthi most when sidlala ne-team like esidedela abadlali laba bebadlala nathi, they always want to prove a point ukuthi angazi basishilo kanjani laba basishile uMsimango noDuplessis. So that's my fear when it comes to those teams must dedela ama-player. Only that one.
No,
But anyway, so abona.
No, you are spot on. Mama siyabonga kakhulu. Ayiqale kahle impela iviki lethu esizoliqala kusasa kube kuhle siyabonga kakhulu. Khosi for life.
Thank you so much.